how to change the function of your press and hold power button right here. That'll give you access to either the power menu here or the Bixby settings. This is the S24 Ultra One UI 6.0. If you just got your phone, there is one way to change it if you haven't made changes to the settings yet. As default, you'll long press and you'll get access to the Bixby. If you don't want that, go into the quick panel access. You will see the settings option right here, okay? From here now, go down to where it says the advanced features right there, okay? You can also type in the word side button and it'll take you there faster. And when you go here, you will change the press and hold right here to power off, okay? So at default, if it's Wake Bixby, you'll have this here. That's gonna give you this here. And if you switch it to this here, when you long press it, it's gonna take you to this right here. Now, if you have this shown for you, you can also tap here to take it to the side button settings here. So if you are somewhere else like this here, you'll see this right here, okay? If you want to keep Bixby now, you don't want to have the power off menu, but you still want to be able to turn off your phone and restart, you can use the quick panel access here. Pull it down 2 times. You will see this power menu button right there, okay? So just tap on that and it'll take you there as well, okay? So like and sub.